Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the safety and security on PayPal. Understanding and regularly checking the safety and security settings of your online accounts, especially financial ones like PayPal, is incredibly important. It's your first line of defense against unauthorized access and ensures your personal and financial information remains protected. This guide will walk you through exactly where to find these crucial settings on PayPal, helping you feel more confident and secure in your online transactions. To begin, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll typically land on your main account summary page. This dashboard provides an overview of your recent activity, balances, and quick access to various sections of your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page, as it's our starting point for navigating to the security features. From this summary page, the next step is straightforward. Simply scroll down. As you move further down the page, you'll notice various sections and links. What you're looking for is a dedicated section or link clearly labeled Security. This is your gateway to all the important safeguards PayPal offers to protect your account. Clicking on this security option will take you to a dedicated hub where you can review all your safety preferences and settings. Once you've clicked into the security section, you'll find a comprehensive overview of various protective measures. Typically, this area is divided into several subsections, each addressing a different aspect of your account's safety. For instance, you'll likely see a Login and Security section. Here, you can view details about your current password, including when it was last updated, and see options related to security questions, which act as a backup if you ever forget your password. This is also where you can check your two-factor authentication, often referred to as 2FA or multi-factor authentication. Enabling and regularly reviewing 2FA adds an extra layer of protection, requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password to log in, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. You can also review and manage any devices currently logged into your PayPal account, allowing you to identify and remove any unfamiliar access points. Beyond login security, you'll also find sections pertaining to data and privacy. This area allows you to understand how PayPal handles your personal data and to view any permissions you might have granted to third-party apps or services to access certain aspects of your PayPal account.